today's challenge, I'm going to apply fenugreek seeds on my hair for the next 7 days to see what happens.
Yeah.
So make sure to like this video.
And because it is day one, let me show you how to make this and how to apply it. So when it comes to making fenugreek paste, all you're gonna do first is to soak overnight half a cup of organic fenugreek seeds with 2 cups of warm water. Next day, blend the fenugreek water, including the seeds, with 1 cup of milk. Now that you have this super heavy paste, hold on, make sure to strain it with a cheesecloth so then you can get this smooth, clean paste. And also this helps to avoid fenugreek beads on your hair afterwards.
I am not storing this. I'm actually making this every single day.
Alright, this is how I'm gonna apply this fenugreek paste on my hair every day.
I advise you not to do that.
First step will be massaging the scalp for 2 minutes to increase the blood flow so that we can prepare the scalp for the treatment.
You probably already know.
Now that your hair is tangled, next will be detangling.
From the bottom to the top using a white tooth comb.
After this, divide your hair in 2 main sections
Alright.
in this way.
You don't need to use this type of application. No. You can apply this with a bottle applicator, with your hands. It doesn't matter. Just apply it.
Anyways, every time you apply some fenugreek paste, make sure to massage it into your hair using a gentle up-down motion to ensure full coverage.
So the next step is to wrap your hair with a plastic cap and a microfiber towel. We're gonna set the timer for 1 hour. We're only gonna rinse this off with water. No shampoo, no conditioner.
Alright.
Just gotta do this for day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, 6, 7. And if you wanna go 8.
Sure. Alright.
Hey guys, it is day 2. I'm actually loving how my hair looks right now. It's insane. Look at the shine. The only thing that I'm not loving is how smelly it is. It smells so bad. Feels and smells. I was expecting to smell like sweet, cheap maple syrup. No, it's just a really bitter, strong smell. Like a
Dead cockroach?
you can see my fingers there trying to get as much as I could. So I always keep this bowl under me just to prevent more messy stuff. The main one, oh yeah. It is day 3. The paste gotta, ooh, it's liquid now. Doesn't matter.
No, it doesn't.
Literally feels like I shampoo last night. Are you serious about this? It's in my ear. Basically, that's how clean my scalp and my hair looks right now. Very nice.
Cheers.
I noticed that when it starts to dry,
I become Christmas.
flakes of fenugreek all over the place. It's like, try not to swallow the fenugreek residue. It's a beautiful thing to see. We are on day 4. My hair is not a single bit oily. Listen. I don't feel like it has gained any volume or that it has gained a thickness. We're getting there. If I touch my ponytail, it just feels like the 4 strands that I already had.
You know?
But it does feel very, very soft.
Yes.
It hasn't lost any shine and stinks.
A few moments later.
It's beautiful. I gotta go.
Hello, we are on day 5. How do I go from my hair is not a single bit oily
Wow.
to the oiliest person in the block? Besides that, my hair texture is very soft and smooth, and as you can see, it is very shiny.
In grease?
New profile unlocked. Let me show you the mess. You're welcome. Not that messy, it's not so bad. I did wash my microfiber towel because yesterday it smelled like pure puke. I don't feel proud about it.
But it's the true truth.
Still smells like puke. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna go shower. We are on day 6. Yeah!
Okay.
Even though my hair is really greasy, like the
Fried chicken?
it does feel very strong and healthy.
Really?
But it's not thick, it doesn't have volume, it's all the opposite. It's a very, very flat. At this point, I literally don't smell the fenugreek, you know? I don't know. Other people do.
Ew.
Me?
No?
1 hour later.
I feel like today I did a better job with the water rinse. Look the shine in my hair.
Sorry.
Feel like tomorrow
I might not be that greasy.
can't believe I get to wash my hair with shampoo today.
We are on day 7. I have a feeling in my Pikachu heart that this smell is gonna stay with me for a while. You know, with past experiences, probably about 2 weeks.
A month?
Sounds quite correct.
As you guys can see, my scalp is very clean. It has no dandruff. My hair feels very strong.
Yeah.
It tangles very easily. It was very interesting to see that the first 3 days, my hair was not dry or greasy. It looked amazing. The next day, I go all the way to the greasy side. And I stayed in that way until the end. It looks so mean.
Oh, so cute.
When I started this FENUGREEK challenge, I wanted to test FENUGREEK in terms of hair growth and hair loss. In terms of hair growth, we measure my hair on day 1 to compare it with day 7, and this is how much hair I grew in a week with FENUGREEK, a quarter. Now, in terms of FENUGREEK reducing hair loss in a week, what I did was collect every single hair strand that I lost during the application and washing process to compare them at the end. So looking at the pictures, I can actually see a slightly positive improvement in this area. When it comes to hair appearance, this is what happened. I am very impressed by how shiny, bouncy, silky, and nourished my hair was left after trying this FENUGREEK challenge. I think this is quite safe to use it twice a week as a deep conditioning hair mask or as I did in this challenge. One more thing. My hair still smells like FENUGREEK even after shampoo, just letting you know.
Don't forget to share some love to this girl by subscribing to this channel right here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I'll get to see you in the next video. Pura Vida!